Hello everybody, it's once again time to clean the floor. Today I have some Renegade cleaning products. Pine Oil 80, natural pine fresh scent. 80% pine oil, concentrated, multi-purpose cleaner. This looks like a promising product. As you can tell, I've been using it, and indeed, it is legit. A little bit of information there. Well, I have high hopes at the cloud cam, so let's go on over there and see what the clouds look like over at the cloud cam. It says for light cleaning, need 2 ounces per gallon of water. Well, we're going to be doing some extra light cleaning today because I'm going to use 1/8 cup per gallon, or 2 tablespoons, 30 milliliters, however you want to say it. Let's look at this reveal. That's looking like some clouds to me. Look at that. That's severe weather season there. And I can see the oil floating on top, so you know it's good stuff. Very strong pine aroma, traditional pine. I think this is going to be pretty good stuff. Let's go back over to the floor cam. All right. That's looking pretty good. That's going to make a good solution. As usual, I'll go over the floor 2 times, rinsing the mop out in this solution right here, between rounds and at the end of the mopping sequence. This floor is not a heavily trafficked floor, so it requires a light cleaning 99% of the time. This floor is also 70 years old. Or right there at it, 68 years old to be exact. It's not going to look perfect. I just need it clean. So we've got some light dust accumulation as usual. So here's round 1. Round 1 is completed. Ready for round 2. That pine aroma is phenomenal. Round 2 is completed. And that is quite lovely. A little bit of splashage there. Take a look at the after on the water. Traded some good suds. It's darker than it was when I started. So all the light dust and debris is cleaned up. So Renegade cleaning products, Pine Oil 80. Very good product to have on hand in the cleaning hoard. Definitely would buy again. It's the real deal. So once again, cleaning the floor with Pine Oil 80 from Renegade Cleaning Products. Thank you for watching.